Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to my another new video and welcome to the SR YouTube channel. So if you want to make your Facebook profile full private, okay, that means any other people who are not your Facebook friends, they can't see everything of your Facebook account. Any random people in Facebook, if they are not your Facebook friends, then they will not see any of your Facebook account information. It will be fully private. Only you can see all those information and you can edit or change that information also. But any people, if they are friends or not, they will not see any of your account information. If you want to make your Facebook account fully private, then this video is only for you. This video is a little bit long, but if you follow all these steps and settings in your Facebook application, then your Facebook account will become fully private and only you can see your Facebook account information and know any other people, your friends or who are not your friends in Facebook, they will not see such informations such as date of birth, your Facebook friend list, your phone number which you have given in your Facebook account, following list, and so on. So these are the information they will not see of your Facebook account. Your Facebook account will be fully private. So without wasting any time, we will start this video. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like, and keep making such helpful videos for you in this channel. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So friends, if you wanna private your Facebook account completely, so first of all you need to open your Facebook application, and I go to this profile, and for example this is one profile and I want to make this completely private. So the first number one step is you need to lock your Facebook profile, okay, and after you turn on this lock in your Facebook profile, then 50% your work has been done, because when you lock your any Facebook profile, then the people who are not your Facebook friends in Facebook application, if they are not your friends, then they will can't see anything of your Facebook profile, okay, no any information they will access if your profile is locked. So first of all you need to lock your Facebook profile. This is very important guys. Just click on this three dots icon. You can see these three dots, so just click on these three dots, and in these three dots you will see one option of profile locking. So just you need to click on this lock profile, and after you click on this lock profile, now here you can see lock your profile button. So just you need to tap on this lock your profile. Just click on this lock your profile, and after you lock your profile, only your Facebook friends, only they can see your profile information, and no any other people, if they are not your friends, they will not able to see any of your Facebook account information. So now 50% work has been completed guys. Now another 50%, just you need to go to the settings, okay, just click on this settings and privacy, and again click on settings, and then now you have to click on this privacy checkup. You can see this privacy checkup, so just tap on this privacy checkup, and now here are different options. So first number one option, you have to go to this who can see what you share. Just click on this, and again now you have to click on continue button. And guys, now I have brought this for privacy reasons. So here is my phone number, date of birth, email address and anything else. So here is everything, and now you can see here is only me, friends, friends of friends, public. So in this public, you can see this two public are here. So in this public setting, anyone in Facebook can see this such type of information, this such type of Facebook account information. If this is set in public, then anyone can see this information. But if you select these options into only me, you can see this only me button. If you select this option, if you set this, then no one can see, literally no one can see this Facebook account information, okay. So that's why you need to keep this all these settings into only me, okay. Just you need to make this all to only me. So if you want to only me, just you have to click on this friends button, and then you will see only me button. So just you need to click on this only me, okay. So now you can see email address, only me can see this my email address of this Facebook account, and no one can see this email address, only me can see this. So it is mean that this Facebook account is private. So if you want to make your profile completely private, then you need to keep this all settings into only me, and no one will able to see this such type of information, your hometown, relationship, current city, and any other. So if this is public, then simply select it into only me. Okay, everything you have to select this only me. But right now I am not going to select this only me because I don't want to make my profile completely private. I am just showing you how can you do this. And after you select this all options into only me, then click on next button. And in this another two option, default audience and stories, this also you can select friends or friends of friends or only me. Okay, select this friends or friends of friends, and after you do this, just click on next button, and then now click on this next button again. So, and after you go to the last, now you can see review another topic button. So just click on this review another topic, and now 80% work has been completed. Now another 20%, this second number option, how people can find you on Facebook. So just go to this option, and here also you have to click on this continue button. And the first in this first option, who can send you friend request. So who can send me friend request in Facebook. So this also you can select friends of friends. Here is no only me option, so that's why I am selecting this second number option, friends of friends. So any friends in Facebook of my friends, they can send me friend request. So if there is no any option of only me, you can select friends of friends also. So this is already friends of friends, and I click on this next button, and now you can see the second number option. So this also you have to select this only me. Just tap on this edit button, and this also here is one only me button, only me, not no one. So no one can see this, completely private. So just select this no one. Okay, just you need to select all this no one or only me, and after you select this, just click on this next button as usual. And now guys, this is the last important step. Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? If this setting is on, then you need to turn off this guys. Okay, you need to turn off this setting. Okay, just click on this turn off, just disable, and click on this next button. Okay, so the work has been done guys. Your Facebook profile is now completely private. After you select all these settings into only me or no one, and after you lock your Facebook profile, no any people can see such type of information about your Facebook account. So this is the process guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. So bye bye guys.